Hi everyone, welcome to Geek New Zealand. Today we'll unbox and review Garmin's DriveAssist 51 LMT-S. This is an advanced navigation built in with dash cam, so let's get into it. DriveAssist 51 is a great 2-in-1 device which makes driving easy and safe. The advanced navigation built in with dash cam has advanced driver alerts such as forward collision warning, the 5-inch capacitive touchscreen and pinch to zoom display. It has detailed map for Oz and New Zealand with free lifetime updates. It provides real-time services such as live traffic and basic weather. Built-in dashcam with optional audio continuously records your drive, automatically saves it when impact. GPS records where and when event occurred. The device also has smart capabilities such as Bluetooth hands-free calling and live services plus camera assist driver alerts that keep an eye for you. Updating the device is easy with built-in Wi-Fi feature. Once you're connected to your home network, you can just easily update the maps, and if there are any updates in the future, once connected on Wi-Fi, it will alert you. Let's quickly see the official Garmin DriveAssist video showing all the features, and then we'll install it in the car and play some original footage from the dashcam.
Did you say mission day? Searching for mission day. Select the line number.
Final words, I'm quite impressed with the DriveAssist 51 from Garmin. It's a perfect device for your road trip or daily commutes, making it easy and safe. The forward collision alerts and lane guide were spot on, and having a built-in dash cam is a bonus as it saves you the hassles of having two devices. The camera quality is really good. Like always, I will post all the details about the product in the description of the video, so please do check it out. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like and subscribe my channel and keep sending me your review requests, and I will try my best to do them. Thank you.